So we saw Momentus move higher, roughly 35% today. Now the move comes despite a filing which revealed the company has received a deficiency note from the Nasdaq, implying that the stock has been below this dollar level for quite some time. Now, with this move today, short-term bottom is definitely in. However, if price is going to go higher, it definitely faces some headwinds. This is the monthly chart, and you can see how back in September, October, we had support. So typically, when you break through and close below, in this case support, becomes resistance. And you can see how the March candle opened, went higher, couldn't even dip its toes in this $1 region before selling off. Now, one thing you can note from the monthly chart, and we've got about 5 to 7 days left before the end of the month. We can see a doji candle, which is indecision between buyers and sellers. So again, kind of also denoting that at least the short-term bottom is in. Now I do want to go to the weekly chart. This is the monthly candles that we saw in the monthly chart, but this is the weekly support, and then you have resistance. Now one thing to note when we talk about measured moves, the last time we had this bullish engulfing candle was back in February. And if I take the low to the high, that is roughly 45 cents. So if I kind of duplicate that, from the low, add on 45 cents, we're looking at roughly 80 cents. So that's what I would anticipate. How high can price go before potentially pulling back to the origin of the potential strong move higher? Now, whenever a company receives a deficiency note from the exchange, investors can typically expect the stock to fall precipitously, but that's not the case with Momentus. In fact, stock is up 35% on the announcement. Now again, the move comes on news that the company revealed in an 8K filing that it received a deficiency note from the Nasdaq. The letter notified the company that it is not in compliance with listing rules. Now, with shares trading at around 50 cents a piece, the dollar minimum share price required for listing on the Nasdaq currently remains unmet. This could lead the company to potentially pursue a reverse split or other measures to ensure the stock stays listed, and we've seen this strategy play out time and time again for those stocks that trade below $1 for multiple days and weeks. Now, Momentus noted in its filing that the notice has no immediate impact on the listing of the company's common stock on Nasdaq, and the company's listing remains fully effective. While true, it is also likely that we will see some financial engineering to ensure the stock continues to be listed and the Momentus can benefit from access to public markets moving forward. Now, with a market capitalization of only 6 million and a microscopic share price, penny stock investors are clearly betting on some sort of potential squeeze on the horizon. And so again, this is kind of tricky, right? 6 million market cap. However, this bullish candle denotes potentially that price can move higher. We need to get above this 50-day moving average in order for price to continue moving up to that measured move of 80 cents. But really, the move needs to get to $1 and above $1 to stay in compliance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.